Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Moody's Misadventure, where missiles vanish and egos explode. Modi bought a Lambo, crashed it in a rickshaw fight. Goswami screaming, but he ain't got the facts right. Ferrari dreams, reality. Ceasefire came courtesy of great diplomacy. India pulled a pin, thought they flex and win. Got punched in the jaw with a slide, Pakistan grin. 5 Rafale is down, no flight, no crown. Brahmos cooked, even the missiles let him down. S-400 bro, that's just bitter trash. Cost $1 billion, now it's post-blast ash. Garivaria's typing, trying hard to cope. Decisive strike, man, past that denial dope. Media's wild in the size, but who's seen? Pakistan beg you in your dream. Reuters drop facts, you drop your guard. Now you're trying to paint a losses award. Issued you $1 billion, gone, poof, vanished. Modi's pure spell, fully